Dear students, good morning. Today we will read chapter 1 from your supplementary book Moments titled The Lost Child. Author is Mulk Raj Anand. It was the festival of spring. From the wintry shade of the narrow lanes and alleys emerged a gaily clad humanity. Some walked, some rode on horses, others sat, being carried in bamboo and bullock carts. One little boy ran between his father's legs, brimming with life and laughter. It was the month of spring, festival of spring. The boy, along with his parents, they are going to a fair. Some people riding on horses, some people walking through and going to the fair, some people were on the bullock carts. There was a little child, little boy, who was smaller than his father and mother, running with them, walking with them. Seems to be the boy walking between his father's leg, the boy brimming with this means filled with happiness. The boy was attracted with everything while walking. He saw the shops of toys and stood there. In that way, he always lagged behind. His father cried, "Come, child, come." The boy went towards his father and mother, suppresses his desire to buy toys, and he knew that his father will never buy him toys. He will always refuse him to buy toys. He knew that his request will never be granted. His father looked at him with red-eyed, means the father looked very angry towards his son, and they were going to the fair and distracted the child's attention from the toy shop. Now the child saw a group of dragonflies. They looks very colorful, gaudy. Looks gaudy means very attractive, very colorful. He wanted to catch dragonflies. He also saw butterfly. He went to catch one dragonfly, but when he was about to catch the fly, what happens? He could not manage to catch it. It fluttered and moved away. Then his mother called, "Come, child, come, come, child, come," and the boy ran towards his parents. Now the boy running towards his parents look very gaily, means happy, going towards the fair, but he saw the insects, worms, along with the footpath. That were those worms and flies came in teeming with, means came in large numbers to enjoy the sunshine. As he lagged behind again, his father called him, "Come, child, come, come, child, come," and the boy ran towards his father. Now the boy saw a shower of young flowers falling from the tree like rain. The boy hold a few petals of the flower in his hands. Suddenly his father and mother called him, "Come, child, come." He saw a dove, attractive bird. He saw the dove, and because of the excitement, he was holding in his hand the petals. It had all fallen down from his hand. Now the boy, passing through the mustard field with attractive yellow flowers, and through that mustard field a path, narrow path was created, and they were walking towards the fair. Now the boy and his parents, as they near the village, child could the child could see many other footpaths full of crowd converging to the whirlpool of the fair, and felt at once repelled and fascinated by the confusion of the world he was entering. These lines indicates that the boy and the villagers, his parents, were entering into the world of fair. The remaining part of the story we will read in our next class. Thank you very much, students. Try to read it again up to here, and remaining part we will study in our next video. Thank you very much, students.